Did you know that monkeys are among the smartest animals on Earth? They live in forests, mountains, and jungles across the world. Most monkeys live in groups called troops, where they work together to find food and stay safe from predators. Monkeys use sounds, facial expressions, and body language to communicate with each other. They are curious, playful, and excellent climbers. Some species can even use simple tools to solve problems and get food. Their intelligence and strong social bonds make them one of the most fascinating animals in the wild.